Hi everyone, I'm Gabrielle and welcome to my final communication project. The theories I have chosen to discuss are the social identity and mood management theories, the audience engagement model, and the elaboration likelihood model. Then I'll be relating how I can apply these theories to a future career in marketing and personal development. The social identity theory proposes that we choose media that reinforces who we are or what we believe. An example of this that comes to mind when thinking about this theory is how my friend who grew up as a first-generation Chinese American related to the movie Crazy Rich Asians. She loved all of the cultural depictions in the movie and how she could relate to them, and I remember her especially loving the part about Rachel's mom packing little Tupperwares before they went on a flight. And she was like, oh my gosh, my mom totally does that, and she was super excited about it because she kind of got to see her culture depicted in the movie. Mood management theory says that we choose media or music to enhance bad or neutral moods or to perpetuate a good mood that we're already in. So I find this to be really true. I often listen to music scores to transport me into their magical worlds that they create. I really love the theme song from Up, and it always makes me super happy. So I play that almost every day. Social identity is relevant in mass media because media needs to be produced that people can identify with, otherwise it's almost pointless. Creators need to make content that people feel like they can see themselves in. I think we're moving in the direction for more groups of people to feel like they can identify with some of the media that's out there, but we still have a long ways to go. But Netflix is one of them that I think is doing a good job in putting out media that reaches larger groups of people. With mood management, creators need to keep in mind that people want to feel good. The social identity theory can be applied to self-help marketing by providing a framework to build content that helps with positive identity reinforcement. Mood management theory can be used to help lift people out of negative thinking patterns with happy media. The audience engagement model says that people are more likely to view media that they can engage with on some level. In business and branding, engagement is encouraged through comments, feedback, contest participation, etc. When people are involved with something, they're likely to come back for more. Personal growth marketing often involves audience participation, and most self-help professionals have an online presence where they encourage engagement. The engagement propels people to become part of a like-minded community where they can learn and grow. An example of this is business person Grant Cardone's 10X challenge, where he started a Facebook group to kind of encourage them. He had different celebrities come on this panel to encourage them to challenge themselves and work really hard and achieve their dreams and goals. So it was very interactive, and by the audience participating, they kind of would come back for more, and they become deeper involved in his business and things that he offers. The last theory is the elaboration likelihood model, which explains how there are two routes that people process ideas, the central route and the peripheral route. The central route is the one that resonates on a deeper level, and the peripheral route is when ideas are registered on more of a shallow level. Media practitioners can use this to determine the best approach to reach their intended audience. So the main point is information and ideas need to be audience focused as opposed to brand or person focused that's delivering them. A combination of both routes can be used to reach the audience, but the central route is best because it resonates on a deeper level, and so it'll stay with the audience longer. As a marketer, this theory gives a lot of insight into how messages should be crafted. So not with myself or the brand in mind, but the person or the people that I'm trying to reach. Finding ways to reach people through the central route or the route that resonates with the most depth is really important. And that concludes my presentation. Thanks for paying attention.